Hey guys, this is Sophie, Math Geek 29, and today we're going to be doing algebra two-step equations. Now, two-step equations are just like one-step equations, but with, of course, an extra step. So our equation today is going to be 3w times 2 equals 24. Now, please don't get confused by the x. It is a multiplication sign, not a variable. So it's 3w multiplied by 2 equals 24. This is not a variable. Alright, so the first step we're going to do is, because in an equation you're trying to figure out what the variable equals, and the variable in this case would be w, we're trying to figure out what w represents, what number w is representing. We need to get it by itself. Now what I mean by itself is that no other numbers surrounding it. So to get rid of those numbers surrounding it, we need to cancel them out by doing the opposite operation. So you know operations are multiplication, division, subtraction, and addition. Multiplication and division are opposites. Subtraction and addition are opposites. So that's what we need to do. So here, since we're doing 3w times 2, we need to do the opposite to cancel out the 2, get rid of the 2, and we need to divide it by 2. So since we're dividing by 2 on this side of the equation, we need to divide by 2 on this side of the equation. Because if you don't divide by 2 on this side, then you're basically just not helping yourself find what w is. You're just leaving the equation how it is, and you're just changing what you're doing on one side and not on the other. So you don't want to do that. So after you divide both sides by 2, you get 3w equals 12. Now, what you do to get w alone is, because we're multiplying 3 by w, because 3 is next to w, it's multiplication. If 3 were next to a 6 in parentheses, it'd be multiplication. When two numbers, or a number and a variable, or two variables are touching, they're being multiplied by each other. So 3w equals 12. So 3w, that's going to be multiplication, so the opposite will be division. So then you're going to do it on this side, and then you get w equals 4. Now you always want to check your work, and by doing that, you would take 4, since that's what w equals, and plug it in back up here where w is. So 3 times 4. Don't make it 34. It's a different number. So you want to, if you get confused, 3 times 4, not 34, put 4 in parentheses and keep them next to each other. So 3 times 4 times 2 equals 24, because 3 times 4 is 12, and 12 times 2 is 24. So you know that you did everything right. Alright, well, thank you for watching. I hope I didn't talk too much or mess up too much, because I can't talk tonight. It's not that late, but I'm sort of tired. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. If you have any comments on how I could improve, I'd love to hear those. And if you know what you need help on in math and want to request a video or request me making a tutorial, I would love to do that. Send me a message or leave a comment. Thank you so much. Have a nice evening. Have a nice day, whatever time it is when you're watching this. But anyway, goodbye. Thank you.